The new generation Maruti Suzuki Celerio was launched recently and its key rival is the Tata Tiago. The specs and price the two affordable family hatchbacks offer will leave you confused on choosing the right one to buy. So we bring you a detailed comparison between the Maruti Suzuki Celerio and Tata Tiago. The new generation avatar of Maruti Suzuki Celerio looks more refreshing than the Tata Tiago. There are upswept headlamps and a Baleno-inspired bumper at the front. There are lift-to-open type door handles around the sides, which now look dated. However, what add to the overall look are the 15-inch black alloy wheels. But the rear doesn't look that great, but overall, the Celerio looks quite youthful. Tata Tiago has borrowed design cues from its elder sibling Altroz. What adds to the overall appeal of the front are the slim grille and sharp headlines. The Tata Tiago also comes with a set of 15-inch alloy wheels with a diamond cut finish. The rear of the Tata Tiago gives a better look thanks to a distinctive spoiler and a sleek bumper. Now let's have a look at the dimensions of both the cars. Both Maruti Suzuki Celerio and Tata Tiago feature an all-black interior theme. The dashboard layouts haven't received any major changes. The touchscreen infotainment units on these cars can be seen in the center of the dashboard. Multifunction steering wheels with buttons for audio control are also available on both. However, Celerio has the power windows switches mounted on the dashboard and center console instead of their usual location on the doors. The Tiago has power window buttons that are mounted at the door pads, their actual place. Both the cars boast a long list of features including push-button start-stop system, keyless entry, tilt-adjustable steering wheel, power windows, touchscreen infotainment unit, and more. However, Tata Tiago offers a few more features compared to the Celerio. It comes with cooled glove box, a 4-speaker and 4-tweeter sound system, tinted glass, all-digital instrument console, automatic climate control, and more. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio offers a 1.0-litre 3-pot petrol engine that churns out around 67 HP and 89 Nm. The Tiago has a larger engine, a 1.2-litre Revotron unit that produces 84 HP and 113 Nm. Transmission options on both the cars are same, 5-speed MT and 5-speed AMT. Celerio, however, offers hill hold assistance. In addition, the Celerio has an idle start and stop system that offers better fuel efficiency. It returns a claimed figure of 26.68 kmpl, while the mileage of the Tiago is listed at 23.84 kmpl. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio is offered in a total of 7 trims and the prices start from Rs 4.99 lakh ex-showroom going up to Rs 6.94 lakh ex-showroom. The base spec Tiago 2 costs Rs 4.99 lakh. The top trim XZA Plus costs Rs 6.92 lakh ex-showroom. If you opt for the dual-tone paint job, you will have to pay Rs 12,000 extra. Tata Motors offers a total of 10 variants for the Tiago. So Maruti Suzuki Celerio or the Tata Tiago, which one is your favorite? Do let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.